Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how we can simply add a flare to post, or how we can use a flare and how we can flare like also not your own post but someone else's post. So what you want to do is just be here and click on my profile, and I got myself here a post right in Stoicism. So what you want to do is go to the right top corner, and then you're gonna see change post flare, or like there will be like add a flare. And then you just choose which one you want. What you can do also is to find like, I don't know, be a psychonaut, and again, add post flare. And if they don't, some of them don't have any post flare, so that's something you need to keep in mind. Now I can see it right here, this one. And there was somewhere like you can suggest a flare, but I don't know how to do that. I completely forgot. So that's pretty much it, and this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.